today's video, I want to highlight this problem that exists for Dosbox 0.74. It could be any version. It could be 0.74, 2, 3, or whatever. And I'll show you. I have the Munt emulator installed on my computer, which is right here. I just started it, and it's running right now, as you can see. It's still running, but it's just not showing on the Windows desktop. So I'm going to go to Dosbox and show you that it's not working. So you just type in remix mixer list midi. As you can see, Roland doesn't exist. There's no number 1, which shows the MT32. So you can't use it. The way you could resolve it is I checked on some FAQs, forums. You can go to Regedit, and you can go to I'll show you where to go. So I'm going to copy this. I'll leave this in the video description so you can see it. Just go here and just paste that on there. Press enter, and you can create a string value called midi 6, and you would have to go in here to modify and copy that, paste that in there. Okay. And you also have to go here to this Control C to copy and Control V to paste. I'm going to put that in there too, called midi 6. Modify, copy that, and paste that in there for data value. And let's see if it's in there now. Dosbox mixer list midi. Now you can see that it's here. However, when you restart Windows, this thing will go away. You know, it's just going to go back to 0. There's going to be no MT32 synthesizer. I don't know why Windows registry keeps doing it, even though I put midi 6. But there's a way to resolve it. You could do something else. Go to Regedit again. If you don't know what you're doing with Regeditor, if you edit the wrong thing, you could screw up your operating system and your computer may not boot. So just to keep that in mind. So here, after you restart Windows, this goes away. So the way you could resolve it is I'm just going to delete it because it just goes away anyway. So I'm going to go to both and delete it. Or you could do this every time if you want, but this is a hassle. You don't want to go into Regeditor every time to change it. So I'm going to delete it. After you restart Windows, it's not going to show again, so I'm going to go back to Dosbox mixer list midi, and now you can see that it's not there. So I'm going to change a few things. So I'm going to go here, copy that. Instead of midi 1, I'm just going to put it in midi. When you do this, it's not gonna, you're not gonna see 0 and 1. You're just gonna see 0. So I changed that part. I want to change this one, copy that. paste it in there. Okay, go back, copy that, modify and paste it in there. Okay. Now let's start Dosbox. Mixer, list, midi. So now it's MT32 synth, so there's no 1 in there. So this is a default MIDI device. So I'm going to go here, switch that to MIDI config 0. Just save it. I'm going to go back to Dosbox 03. As you can see, it's running, it's connected. So let's go to haven't mounted anything yet. I'm gonna run a game and see if Roland is working or not. I'm gonna select 1, number 5, and 1. As you can see, this is Dosbox. It's connected to here. Okay, so this is how you could resolve it, but if you want to get it back to how it was, you can do that. You can go to Regedit again. Copy that. You can set it back to how it was, and that's not going to be a problem here. Copy that, paste. You have to change both directories, of course. Copy that. Paste that. Done. So now if I go back to Dosbox, it's back to normal. So if you want to set it back to normal, you can. So anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching.